Hello and welcome. In this video I will make an educated guess as to what the future Killzone expansions will include. The Sector Mechanicus expansion comes with 8 frames of terrain, an 8-page booklet with lore, art and photographs, a double-sided folding cardboard with the Sector Mechanicus Killzone on one side and Sector Imperialis on the other, 12 Sector Mechanicus tactic cards, 4 missions and an environment card. If the box contains the terrain shown in the picture, it amounts to £87.5. The Ferrotonic Incinerator, worth £35, the Alchemite Stacks, worth £30, and a set of Thermic Plasmic Conduits, worth £22.5. They have said that the box contains terrain worth more than double the price of the box itself. But according to leaks, the Sector Mechanicus Killzone expansion will sell at £50. Perhaps it includes terrain not shown in the picture, or maybe the box is cheaper than the leaked 50. That would definitely be amazing. Future Killzone expansion will most likely look a lot like this, at least if the trailer is something to go by. From looking at the photograph in the Kill Team trailer, the Death World Killzone expansion will include a set of barbed venom gauze at £35, the Eldritch Ruins at £25, and the Shard Rack Spines at £20. Terrain worth £80 in total. The other loading bay looking Killzone is shown with one set of Monitorum armored containers, worth £30, and 2 sets of Sector Mechanicus galvanic server haulers, or at least 1/2 of a box, worth approximately £50. Again, £80 worth of terrain. There's also what looks like a statue in the back, but not the one from the Honored Imperium box and not one of the new ones from the Basilicanum box. I doubt it's included. We know of 2 more Killzones from the Rogue Trader trailer, the spaceship looking one and the swampy one. My guess is that the spaceship interior will be the only terrain included in this expansion, as the 2 brand new kill teams will be the main attraction. With the currently available ranges of terrain, there is only one other possible Killzone expansion, and that is a battlefield with the Wall of Martyrs. It's web store exclusive, so I doubt it, but it is featured in several of the previews. Also, the Alchemite Stacks are web store exclusive as well. So, then there's the terrain that comes with the Kill Team expansions. The Orcs come with yet another set of server haulers, excluding the probing one, and the Adeptus Astartes with another set of Alchemite Stacks. Why all the doublets? Well, the answer's simple. There are only that much terrain in that price range to choose from. If we accept a range of £12 to £30, there are exactly 22 sets. If we exclude the Shrine of Aquila and the Tightwall Drone Port, we're down to 20. Don't believe in the Wall of Martyrs? Now we're down to 17. And that includes the unlikely Nord Tree, Aegis defense line, battlefield accessories, and Sector Imperialis objectives, as well as 2 sets of the new Sector Imperialis, the server haulers, and the Alchemite Stacks. It feels wrong to hope for more terrain with 4 boxes just being announced, but I fear the terrain in the Kill Team expansions will be a nuisance to many players if we don't see more variation. If my predictions are correct, Aaron Painting will end up with 4 sets of server haulers. Yay! Even I don't like terrain that much, and those are some of my favorites. But we don't know if all kill teams will get their own starter set. GW recently wrote, "There may even be some more starter sets in the pipeline too. And all we know right now is that these aren't the only starter sets we'll be seeing." And I'm 90% sure that the kill teams in the Rogue Trader expansion will be included in the box, just like with the starter set. Might not be the only one. We will just have to wait and see. Patience is a virtue, or so I've been told. This has been Mother Nurgle. Have a nice day.